Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. This is ARK. You are watching ARK Idea Innovation YouTube channel. Welcome back to your favorite channel ARK Idea Innovation. This is very important and good news to those who are completed B.Ed and waiting for teacher recruitment in Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan, Department of School and Mass Education, Government of Odisha. Here is the notification announced for recruitment to the posts of principal and other teaching posts in Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan in the state of Odisha. Okay friends. The total number of posts is 737 and the official website is www.oav.edu.in. Okay friends. समस्त जिल्लार प्रार्थी आवेदन करें. स्टार्टिंग डेट हूँ 22/10/2020. आज टू आरंभ होती. ओके फ्रेंड्स. एंड द लास्ट डेट इज 23rd November 2020. यही वीडियो रे मु आपण मानकु सब डिटेल्स कहबी किए और केबे आवेदन करबे केउ माने आवेदन कर परबे केउ सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स दरकार हो परीक्षा केबे हेबो परीक्षा सिलेबस कोन अछि ये सब पूरा डिटेल्स आमे ए वीडियो रे डिस्कशन करो फ्रेंड्स. ए वीडियो को लास्ट पन देखंतो समस्त को शेयर करंतु जो माने बीएड करचंती जो माने टीचर पोस्ट पे वेटिंग कर अछंती से मानन को समस्त को हमर संग साथी मानन समस्त को शेयर करबा पई मो रिक्वेस्ट करछि. ओके फ्रेंड्स. ए सब डिटेल्स डिस्कस करबा पूर्व आपण माने जदी हम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करन दिले प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु एवं पाकर देबा बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दियंतु जा फल रे आपण माने लेटेस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन सर्वप्रथमे पाई परबे. इंपोर्टेंट डेट्स. Opening date for online registration of applications is 22nd October 2020. Last date for completion of online registration is 23rd November 2020. And last date of submission of online fee as applicable through debit card, credit card or net banking is 25th November 2020. Okay friends, you note here online fee payment through State Bank Collect, through net banking of SBI or its associate banks and other banks, debit cards of SBI, other banks and credit cards of all banks. Okay. Details of posts here you see friends. Post wise breakup vacancies is given here. For the post of principal, total number of posts is 144 and the pay is 67,700 and the nature of post is regular. Similarly, PGT English, PGT Physics, same salary 47,600 and for PGT English the total number of posts is 27. For PGT Physics the total number of posts is 43 and the nature of posts both are regular. Next you see PGT Chemistry, PGT Biology, PGT Mathematics. All PGT posts are having same salary and the number of vacancies for PGT Chemistry is 36, for Biology 22, for Mathematics 36 and all are regular posts. Okay friends. Next let us see TGTs. TGT English, TGT Social Studies, TGT Odia, TGT Mathematics, TGT Science. All are same salary 44,900 and the number of vacancies for TGT English is 65, for Social Studies 97, for Odia 48, Mathematics 54, Science 52 and all are regular posts. Okay friends. Next is PET, Physical Education Teacher. The salary is 35,400 and number of posts are 73 and the nature of post is regular. Okay friends. And the last one is Computer Teacher. The salary is fixed consolidated 17,380 rupees only. The number of posts 40 and the nature of post is contractual. Here it is the only post is contractual, that is Computer Teacher. Okay friends. Here it is given category wise breakup of vacancies. Principals total 144, TGT English, Social Studies, Odia, Mathematics, TGT Science, PET. Like this the details are given here Breakup vacancies category wise is given here. Just you see friends. Similarly, PGT is also PGT English, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Mathematics. The breakup vacancies are given here. You just see here friends. Let us see eligibility criteria. In order to be eligible for appointment, a candidate must satisfy the following conditions. Must be citizen of India, must be sound mind, must not be having more than one spouse living. Okay friends. Educational qualifications. First one is the candidate must have passed ML ODI up to ME standard. The candidates who have not passed ODI up to ME standard can apply, but they have to pass examination conducted by BSc Odisha Cuttack within 3 years from the date of joining. Okay friends. Next, candidates must have master degree, bachelor degree in arts science, bachelor degree in education from any university of the state as applicable for the post, different post. Okay. All candidates for the post of TGTs, means for example TGT ODI English, Maths, Science, TGT Social Studies must have passed OSTET or OTET paper 2 conducted by BSc or CTET paper 2 conducted by CBSE. Next, essential academic qualifications and experience. For the post of principal, academic qualification is master degree and B.Ed. Experience is given here. Experience, persons holding analogous posts for post of principal in central or state government, autonomous organizations of the state or central government, pay band 15,600 to 39,100, GP 5,400, current pay band level 12 of ORSP rules 2017. Okay friends, or vice principal, their conditions for the post of principal is given here. Next you see friends, for all trained graduate teachers TGTs, 4 years integrated degree course of Regional College of Education of NCERT in the concerned subject with at least 50% marks in aggregate or 45 for SC, ST, PH and SCBC candidates, or bachelor degree in arts science concerned subjects with 50% or aggregate. For SC, ST, PH, SCBC is 45, along with a degree in bachelor in education prescribed by NCT from the institution recognized by the NCT and affiliated to the recognized university. The subjects and languages in the combination of subjects as under. Subject language category is very important friends. Once we shall check it. You see friends, for TGT, English as honors or pass or elective major special subject at graduation level. For those who are applying for TGT English, in their graduation, English must be one of the subject as honors or pass or elective or major special subject at graduation level. Okay friends, for example next, TGT ODI. Those who are applying for TGT ODI, in graduation they must have ODI as honors or pass or elective major special subject at graduation level. Next comes TGT Social Studies. One must have a subject in BA in any one of the following 4 subjects: history, geography, political science, economics. Means history, geography, political science, economics re good subject tibak padibo BA re. In addition to that, he should have one more subject out of the following 8 subjects: history, geography, economics, political science, Indian polity, Indian economy, Indian geography, landmarks in history, landmark in Indian history as honors or elective or pass. এই 8টি ସବଜେକ୍ଟରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. ଓକେ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍, କ୍ଲିୟରଲି ଅବଜର୍ଭ ଦିସ୍: ହିଷ୍ଟୋରୀ, ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫି, ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ସ, ପଲିଟିକାଲ ସାଇନ୍ସ, ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ପଲିଟି, ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଇକୋନୋମି, ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫି, ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡମାର୍କସ ଇନ୍ ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଏଜ୍ ଅନର୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇଲେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ପାସ୍. ଆଇରେ ଗୋଟେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. ଏ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଚାପ୍ଟରରେ ଗୋଟେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଦେବାର ଅଛି, ଥିଲେ ସୋସିଆଲ ଷ୍ଟଡିଜ୍ ପାଇଁ ଏଲିଜିବଲ୍ ହେବେ. ନେକ୍ସଟ କମ୍ସ TGT ମ୍ୟାଥ୍ସ. ବ୍ୟାଚଲର ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ଇନ୍ ସାଇନ୍ସ with at least 200 marks in math as a subject with any 2 of the following subjects: physics, chemistry, computer science or computer application statistics, or BTech BE degree with 200 marks in math in any 2 of the following subjects: physics, chemistry, computer science and computer application statistics. Okay. Next comes TGT science. Bachelor degree in science having any 3 subjects out of the following: botany, zoology, chemistry, biotechnology and life science. Okay friends, it is for TGT science. Next, proficiency in teaching both ODI and English medium is needed. Desirable knowledge of computer applications is desirable. Candidates having special B.Ed or D.Ed are not eligible for the post of TGT. You please note this one. Okay, special education रे जो माने B.Ed करते बा D.Ed करते से माने ए पोस्ट पे eligible नुहे. Other teaching post. Next, PET, physical education teacher, degree or postgraduate degree in physical education, BPED or MPED course prescribed by NCTE from a recognized university or institution. Proficiency in teaching both in Odia and English medium is necessary, and desirable is computer knowledge of computer application. Next one is computer teacher. It is purely contractual in nature. The post of computer teacher will be purely on contractual basis. Qualification is BE, BTech in computer science, or IT, MCA, MSc IT, MSc computer science from recognized university, or B level DOEACC or NIE LIT in computer science from recognized university, or BCA or BSc computer science from recognized university, are competence to teach through English and Odia medium. Okay friends. Next comes PGT post, postgraduate teacher post, 2 years integrated postgraduate course of Regional College of Education of NCERT concerned subject with at least 50% marks in aggregate, or for SC, ST, PH, SBC candidates that is 45% in the following subjects. Master degree in the concerned subject is needed from recognized university, at least 50% marks. Okay friends. For example, PGT English means he or she must have master degree in English. Like that, PGT Mathematics, he or she must have master degree in mathematics or applied mathematics. PGT Physics, master degree in physics, electronics, applied physics, nuclear physics are eligible. PGT Chemistry, chemistry or biochemistry are also eligible. PGT Biology, to apply this post, the candidates should have botany, zoology, life science, bioscience, genetics, microbiology, biotechnology, molecular biology, plant physiology, provided those have studied botany, zoology at graduation level. This is the qualification for PGT Biology, means post graduation in these subjects he or she must have. Okay, and bachelor degree in education from a recognized university in India as recognized by NCTE. Okay friends, PGT they should have post graduation in the concerned subject, and B.Ed, bachelor degree in education is needed. Okay friends. Next, proficiency in teaching both Odia and English medium is needed, and desirable computer knowledge is also desirable. Candidates having special B.Ed, D.Ed are not eligible for the post. It is important, note this one. Special education जो मैंने B.Ed करते हैं, D.Ed करते हैं, से मैंने eligible नहीं है ये post पे. Okay friends. Next, age limit. Age as on 1/9/2020, it is given here. The date of birth as recorded in matriculation or secondary school certificate is to be accepted for online application. It is the आपण मानकर matriculation or secondary examination certificate बार HSC examination certificate रो जो date of birth लेखा हेतु सेटा ही consider करा हेबो. No subsequent request to change in date of birth will be entertained. Okay friends. You see here is the again details are given. We just go through this. Okay friends. Other details for in-service candidates, he or she shall furnish no objection certificate duly signed by the employer at the time of interview or performance test. Not now. If you select at the time of interview, you have to submit no objection certificate. Okay friends. The regular post will carry dearness allowance and other allowances adjusted by the OAVs from time to time. Okay friends. The service conditions of staff so appointed shall be regulated by the relevant rules of OAVS. The selected candidates should have to sign a bond under mandatory service at least 2 years from the date of joining. Next is selection procedure. Selection procedure. The candidates will be selected on the basis of their performance in computer-based test (CBT). Okay friends, the appropriate committee constituted by the government reserves the right to decide cut-off marks in CBT and interview separately and criteria for shortlisting. The online question paper will be bilingual, English and Odia language only. The candidates required to report the examination center at least 1.5 hours before the commencement of online examination. Candidates coming late for the test will not be allowed. Time schedule may change depending upon the number of applications received for a particular post. Scheme of examination. Scheme of examination is for the post of principal, the type of test is multiple choice objective type questions only, 3 hours duration, number of questions 180, total marks 180. So computer based test, CBT test is given here, details. Language proficiency test, 40 marks, 40 questions. Next part of general awareness and computer literacy, 40 marks, 40 questions. Next academic, 30 marks, 30 questions. Next part 4 administration and finance, 70 marks, 70 questions. And final and interview is 60 marks. For trained graduate teacher, English, Odia, Math, Science, Social Studies. Online test will comprise of part 1, 2 and 3. All the questions will be multiple choice questions only. The test will be 200 minutes duration. Each question carry 1 mark. There will be negative marking for 0.25 marks for each wrong answer. Negative marking अच्छी 4टा प्रश्न भूल गले 1 mark कमी जीव. So here is detail given. Part 1 question paper will consist of multiple choice questions in subjects English and Odia carrying 1 mark each. Similarly, part 2 test comprise of 30 questions current affairs and 30 questions reasoning. Part 3 test of the test will comprise of 100 questions in the subject content and methodology. There will be an interview for 40 marks. For preparation of final merit, weightage of evaluation scheme shall be test 70%, part 2, part 3 and interview 30%. For PGT English, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Math, the online test will comprise of part 1, 2 and 3. All questions will be multiple choice questions only. Test will be 200 minutes duration. Each question carry 1 mark. There will be negative marking of 0.24 marks for each wrong answer. चटक प्रश्न बोलेले गोटे मार्क माइनस है जीवो फ्रेंड्स. देखो here is the syllabus detail given here. Part 1 of question paper will consist of 40 multiple choice questions in the subject of English 20, Odia 20 carrying 1 mark. Part 2 test comprise of 30 questions current affairs and 30 questions reasoning. Part 3 test will comprise of 100 questions in the subject content of methodology. Okay friends, part 2 part 3 test of the candidate will be evaluated only if or she qualifies in the part 1, securing minimum 5 marks each in English Odia subjects and 13 marks in aggregate. There will be an interview for 40 marks, and for preparation of final merit, the weightage of evaluation scheme shall be 70% part 2, part 3 and interview 30%. Okay friends, and next one is physical education teacher, that is PET. The online test will comprise of part 1, 2 and 3. All the questions will be multiple questions only. The test will be 20 minutes in duration. Each question will carry 1 mark. There will be negative marking 0.25 marks for each wrong answer. Chatta prashna bolele 1 mark minus above friends. Part 1 of question paper will consist of 40 multiple choice questions in subject English and Odia, each carrying 20 questions and each 1 mark each. Part 2 the test will comprise of 30 questions in each current affairs and reasoning. Part 3 of the test will comprise 100 subject related to multiple choice questions only. Part 2 and 3 of the test candidates will be evaluated only if she qualifies in part 1, securing minimum 5 marks in English and Odia subjects and 30 marks in aggregate. There will be an interview for 40 marks. For preparation of final merit, weightage evaluation scheme shall be test 70%, part 2 and 3 and interview for 30%. And the last one is computer teacher. The online test comprises of part 1, 2, 3. All questions will be multiple choice only. The test will 200 minutes duration. Each question carry 1 mark. There will be negative marking for 0.25 marks for each wrong answer. Same procedure. Okay friends, you just go through this. Part 1 of question paper will consist of 40 multiple choice questions in the subjects English 20, Odia 20 carrying 1 mark each. Part 2 will comprise of 30 questions in current affairs, 30 questions in reasoning. Same procedure. Last finally there will be an interview for 20 marks. Okay friends. City. The computer based test for recruitment of the above mentioned posts are likely to be held in the following cities only: Anugul, Balasore, Baragad, Baripad, Barampur, Bhubaneswar, Kotak, Dhenkanal, Jharsuguda, Rourkela, Sambalpur. ଏହି 11ଟି ସେଣ୍ଟର ହିଁ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ହେବା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ଅଛି। ओके फ्रेंड्स देखो फ्रेंड्स एप्लिकेशन फी can be paid only through online payment only, that is by using debit card, credit card, net banking, payment mode through state bank collect only. Okay friends, application fee hochi 1500 for all general candidates and OBC candidates, and 1000 rupees only for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Okay friends, plus bank charges as applicable. Okay, next for the post of principal, that is. Okay friends, next for the post of all other teaching posts, the fees for general and OBC is 1000 rupees. Okay, and 700 for SC, ST and PWD candidates, plus bank charges and service tax as applicable. Okay friends, fee submitted any other mode will not be accepted friends, only online mode as mentioned in the first point. Fees once paid will not be refunded under any circumstances, nor would this fee will be held reserved for future recruitment activities. Okay friends. Next, how to apply. Candidates satisfying eligibility conditions have to apply only through online registration only, available in this link www.oav.edu.in. The link is already provided in the description below the video. You can click on the link given below, directly it will be opened. Okay friends, no application through other mode will be accepted. No documents required to be sent to OAV in connection with the online application. Online submission of applications will be allowed on the website. Okay friends, the last date is very important, 23/11/2020. Okay friends, steps for applying. Step 1, sign up, and it is step 2. Candidates are now ready to apply online by writing. Step 2. Candidates are now ready to apply online by revisiting the online application at http://www.oav.edu.in. Okay friends. Photographs. Signature image, details given here. Okay friends, just go through this. Upload photograph and signature, and submission of application fee. Okay friends, if you open the official website, here it is the notification given here. Just link for online application, and next one is detailed modalities it is the link for online application. You click on this link. Here is the detailed instructions. You just go through these. Okay friends. Next, here you have to agree this declaration. Then it will be open like this. Okay friends. You see friends, you have to fill this personal details. Post applied for principal or PGT, English, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Maths, TGT, Social Studies, ODIA, Maths, Science, PET, Computer Science, Computer Teacher. Like this, you have to select any one. Okay friends. Next, post code automatically that will come. Next, candidate name, you have to write here, mobile number, confirm mobile number, email ID, confirm ID, like this, and then you submit. You can write here image and then submit like this. Go through this online website. You on the as per the instructions, you can just simply fill up the application form and submit it and pay the required fees. Okay friends. I hope you like this video. Please share this video to all who require it. Thanks for watching. Jai Jagannath. Jai Hind.